This is the sky over Jerusalem yesterday, Saturday, October 1st, 2016. What you are seeing is an aerosoled metallic particulate reaction to atmospheric sounds. They're being trumpeted possibly by frequencies emitted by technological means. TTAs, Tesla Tech Arrays, located within a quarter of the Earth's mass away, as I have shared with you before. It is definitely this type of reaction. But where are the trumpet sounds coming from? Are they merely emitted frequencies? What if they are not? What if you are seeing and hearing a sign from God? Has He ordered the first trumpet to be blown? Are these trumpets His? Just so that you know, Rosh Hashanah began this evening, Sunday, October 2nd, 2016, and ends on Tuesday evening, October 4th, 2016. Shofar is blown 100 times each day of Rosh Hashanah. But these trumpets were heard on the day before Rosh Hashanah, the Sabbath day, Saturday, October 1st, 2016. As we move in closer, we can see rainbow-like refractions. These are produced by aerosoled or chemtrailed aluminum-tipped fiberglass. The military refers to it as chaff. To create weather or excite communications electromagnetic activity, the aerosols and frequency are much higher up in the atmosphere, and not audible to the human ear. The frequency generally used is microwave. Though as we see in these pictures, the chemtrail disbursement pattern from any shaped chemtrail is much the same as we see here. The metallic particulates are pulled away in finger-like patterns from the center of the chemtrail. This circular chemtrail could easily have been laid down by a drone. But these trumpetings are audible. They are not microwave. The pattern is way too low in the sky. It stands to reason it's not made to create weather, and it's not made for communications enhancement by the military. So why is that chemtrail there? And why are these trumpetings audible? If it is the first trumpet spoken of in Revelation 8, this is what we are to expect. In verse 7, the first angel sounded his trumpet, and there came hail and fire mixed with blood, and it was hurled down on the earth. A third of the earth was burned up, a third of the trees were burned up, and all the green grass was burned up. Lately, meteorites and fireballs have been falling out of the sky. Over the last few days, they've been rather numerous. The question then is, are these precursors to perhaps a larger body getting ready to do a flyby of the Earth and raining down its hangers-on? Or is it a technical deception? You decide. This is Rev. Michelle Mann. Thank you for watching, and God bless you.
My heart trembles at His voice. How great is our God?